Alright, we got some exciting news today. We got here the Olympus OMD E-M10 Mark II. And many people are asking me like, what is the best like low budget first camera kind of stuff camera? What should I buy? And there are many options out there from Canon, Nikon, Sony, Fujifilm, but also from Olympus. And this is one of the cheapest that you can find. It's around 350 bucks. And this is a returned item thingy, so it's very affordable, I think, for me at least. I'm not sure in your situation, but you know, Olympus makes some great beginner cameras, and I think this one should be a great beginner camera as well. I think, at least. I'm not even sure. I just saw the price. I was like, all right, let's try this out. So let's try this out. Let's unbox this together. That's a nice black box, by the way. I like how it. I like how the package is looking. OMD. Oh my goodness. Alright. Oh. It goes open like this, I see. Wow, this must be an old camera, I think, because it still has a CD. Why should you have a CD when you buy a camera? Anyways. Must be something old school. I do not know anything about this camera. So what do we have here in this little first box? Oh, the basic manual. Alright, a basic manual. Maybe I should read that. And this is the body. Whew, such a small camera. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I don't have the biggest hands, but this literally fits in my hands, like in my hand palm. Alright. Okay. String of hair here. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's it's a little bit gross, right? Anyways, do we have here an empty box? Alright, I don't know what that is. Manual for the lens. Alright. Okay. Such a tiny lens. Oh, even my voice gets tiny. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. What is this? Oh my goodness. Is this... This can't be serious, right? Is this serious? Oh goodness. Alright, if this can capture some good like photos, then I will be really impressed. How does it refract back to the okay, unlock. Wow. Okay, alright, that's interesting, to put it that way. Here's some cables and chargers. Okay. Battery and a battery charger. I think that's it. I think that's about it. Don't think there's anything in this little... Alright. First of all, let's check out the tiny micro four thirds sensor. Look how small it is, guys. Wow. This is actually really small. Wow. No grip at all. No grip. Let's check out if there's any juice in this battery. Battery is quite large compared to the camera body. Alright. How to put it on. Okay. Oh, wow. Alright. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I like the switches. I like it. I like how it feels. I'm gonna grab some SD cards. I'm gonna switch the cameras, and then we'll see how it actually looks. Alright, what you're seeing right now is the footage from the Olympus OMD. And as you see right now, I'm filming it, and it's such a small camera, guys. Such a very small camera. I had to go down a little bit because I totally messed up my setup with the tripod. But anyways, this is what you can see right now. This is my first impression. I'm gonna go outside and take some photos to see how that is looking. But right now, you know, I don't know. This might be a good first camera for people, but I'm not sure. I have to test that out for myself. But for now, I really like the little dials up at the top of the camera. And yeah, I think that's about it for today, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you want to see about this camera. Or do you have any tips about this camera and stuff like that. So I'm just going to test it out to see if it's any good or not. So yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.